अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, क्या हाल चाल है आप सब लोगों का। आई होप आप लोग जहाँ भी होंगे खैरियत से होंगे, हिफाजत से होंगे, अपने घरों में अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ। एंड आई प्रे यू ऑल विल बी गोइंग ग्रेट इन योर लाइव्स. My today's video is completely different mostly what I do. I mean the type of videos I post. This video is completely different. Before making a video on this topic, I thought I am lucky enough to have a small share of audience. So if I want to share something, I want to say something other than the routine, why not? This video is basically a recommendation video. I would like to recommend a series. I'm talking about a series on Netflix. Maybe some of you heard about it. It's some calling it as Masiha, some calling it as Messiah. So before I talk more on this, let's watch its trailer first. After that I continue.
He's come out of nowhere and we don't know who he is.
What do we know about him?
He's leading desperate people.
So this is a cult?
We don't know who he's associated with. He could be creating an army. Or he could be leading them to their death.
What were you doing in Syria?
Delivering a message.
A message for whom?
My father.
And who is your father?
We've lost it.
What do you mean?
He just disappears.
No one just disappears.
We all witnessed a miracle.
He saved my daughter's life.
You need to see this.
Bury it for as long as you can. He didn't just click his heels and end up here. He clearly had help. You get around Syria, Israel, Texas.
It's the nature of my work.
And what is that work?
God's work.
Who do you think he is?
You didn't see what I saw.
And if I did, would I be calling him the second coming?
How far will this new movement spread?
I'm going to find out everything about you.
This is bigger than what you can imagine.
Okay, you all watched the trailer. I would like to share some information related to this series. Initially, it was released on January 1st, 2020. Directors are James McTeague, Kate Woods. Program creator is Michael Petroni. He is also the executive producer. Other producers are Mark Burnett, Andrew Dean, Roma Downey, and again James McTeague. It's an American thriller television series created by Michael Petroni. The first season consists of 10 episodes. The role of Messiah is played by a Belgian actor, Mehdi Debi. Yes, his name is very interesting, Mehdi Debi. On March 26, 2020, Netflix cancelled the series after a few episodes, and I was also reading somewhere there are also early reports that the character was named Al-Masih ad-Dajjal in start. I won't be saying much about this. I want you all to watch this and think and analyze what it's about or what's the aim of it. I would just say that it was very interesting that this series producer decided to use the platform like Netflix to launch this rather opening in cinemas. But in cinemas, how was it possible? It was completely impossible because of the worldwide scenario around the world because of the COVID last year, 2020. The year this series was decided to release. But yes, as we all were sitting and restricted in our homes, and the only source was to go with a message through Netflix. As I mentioned earlier, first it was removed after few episodes, but later on it's been decided to continue. Right now, only season first is out, but the point where they ended the first season is very unexpected, at least for me. Looking forward to watch season 2. Last, I would like to share something. आई रियली वॉन्टेड कि मैं पूरा इंटरव्यू आप लोगों के साथ यहाँ शेयर करती, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉपीराइट इश्यूज आई कांट शेयर इट हेयर. It's about an interview conducted by a YouTube channel named Entertainment Tonight Canada. This interview was conducted with the executive producer and the actor who played the central role as Messiah, Mehdi Debi. The actor name is Mehdi Debi. Please do watch this whole interview, but I just want to share a small portion of that interview. In an interview, the interviewer asked Mehdi, the guy playing this role of Messiah, the question was, why did you want to take a role like this? Mehdi, the guy who playing this role of Messiah, he replied, I quote, "It's not really about what I want or what I don't want. It felt like this. It was part of my journey. Really felt like everything in my life was going to prepare me for that role, and it happened like that. Really was really like a flowing thing." Unquote. I won't be commenting on that because I believe sometimes what's left unsaid says it all. So yes, this is it. I will end my video on this point. Please do watch this series. I really want that everybody should watch this series. Why? Because I think it's important to stay aware that exactly what's happening around us. ओके जो हाउसवाइफ्स लेडीज़ मेरी वीडियोस देखती हैं, प्लीज़ आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ आप लोग ज़रूर ये सीरीज़ जाके देखें. रियली आई रिक्वेस्ट, इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप सब लोग ये सीरीज़ जाके देखें बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि पता होना चाहिए कि इर्द गिर्द हमारी सराउंडिंग्स में क्या हो रहा है. I hope you all will like this video different from what I generally post. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Allah Hafiz.